Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create letter poster design in Canva. First up, you need to open your Canva, and then here we can basically zoom it out, go to elements, search for an image. For example, I'm going to search for a dog. We can add a description like a jumping dog. So for example, I'm going to select this image, and then we can drag the corners to resize the image. Now in this case, I'm going to flip the image, select horizontal, and once done here, you will need then to go back to element section, and then we're going to look for a frame. Scroll down and find the frames, see all, and search for a letter D. Then select it and put it over here, and then resize this one according to your preference. Next, what we're going to do is click on the image and then duplicate, drag it, and put it on the frame. Once done, double click on the frame, resize it like this to make it fit on the image. So there you have it. Now next step, all right, then duplicate the frame. This time we're going to click on the edit photo, adjust, then the brightest to -100. And then we can basically resize this one. We can go in three dots and then click on layer, show layers, and put it right over here behind the first frame. Then double click on the second frame. And then you can basically move it or drag to fit into the image. You can basically zoom it out to see all the corners, so you can drag it. So just like this. And then once done, the next step that we can do is basically select on the first frame, go to border style, border weight must be 6, border color is white, and then select the image, go to edit photo, video remover, and then we can crop this. You can drag on the side to crop like this. Then as you can see, we have the line over here. So what we can do is select on the image, go to layer, go to show layers, and put the image at the very top like this. So as you can see, we have just created this letter design. Next, click on the share button at the top right, click download, check this transparent background, click download. So you have to wait for a few seconds here. Once you save it, go to that image, drag and drop here to upload. We can add the page. Select the image that we have just downloaded, put it right here, duplicate, and then go to flip and flip vertical, and we're going to create a mirror. So we just need to make it perfectly fit just like this. Next, we go back to elements. Select this square shape, put it at the middle or in the image, and then we're going to change the color. And then go to gradient. Select this, add a new color. Select the second style. So the second color must be the same as the background. So we're going to add a background first. And I'm going to pick this one. Now we can go back to the color. Again, gradient. Now the second color must be used by color picker. Then another color here, which is black. We're going to adjust this like this. Okay, put it right over here. We can duplicate to create another square. There you go. So that's how you basically create letter poster design. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.